guys, what's going on? So today I decided to come on here and show you guys how to set up this new trending hookah, portable hookah that is designated to fit in a cup holder in your car. It's super convenient, and I know I had trouble learning how to set this up, so I decided to come and feature this on my channel. But before I get started, you guys know what to do. Make sure you go and like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to click that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. And let's jump right into this video. So I pretty much laid out everything. So this is the cup, this is the lid, this is where you pack the shisha, this is the hose, the tube, this is the filter, and then I have my tongs right here, my lighter, and I have my coal. And I'm actually going to be mixing the shisha today. I'm using mint and vanilla. So let's get this process started. So first, I have a cup of water here. Let me move this out the way. We're going to fill this up, I'd say until we get to like right here. You don't want to fill it up too high. You want to fill it about, I'd say like a quarter. So that might actually be a little too much. So I'm just going to pour some back in here. Alright, so that should be good enough. So now what you want to do is take this stem right here and actually connect the filter to the end of it. It doesn't matter which way or which side you apply it on. It's even all throughout. And then you're going to take the lid and you're going to attach this piece right here onto the lid like this. And you want to make sure it's extremely secure. So then now you're going to take your cup and you're going to press the lid onto it until it's sturdy and it's completely closed. Alright, just like that. So that's set up. And yeah, that's how that goes. So now we're going to put that to the side and we're going to pack the shisha. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to use mint and I'm going to use a little bit of vanilla. So that I don't get my hands dirty, I'm actually going to be putting the shisha in this filter with a fork. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in here and I'm going to grab a nice amount of shisha and I'm going to put it in here. So this is what we're doing. And you want to like work the shisha in gradually like that. And since I'm doing 2 flavors, you want to do half and half. So now I'm going to go in with the vanilla and I'm going to put some in there. Like I said, you don't want it to be too packed. And I'm actually going to put a little more. Alright, so it should look like that. So I'm going to put the flavor to the side. And now you want to take the lid and you want to place it on top like that. Like that. So that's how it looks. And then all you do is put this directly on top, just like that. So now for the hose, this is the hose, guys, the flexi hose. So you want to turn it around to this side. And where this hole is, you want to just put it in there, push it in there slightly. And that's good enough. Not too much, just a little bit. And we're going to rest that right there. So you want to grab your coal, which I have right here, and your tongs. And you want to light the coal until the sparks are shooting through the coal. So you want the sparks from the lighter to completely distribute throughout the whole coal. So I'm not sure if you guys can see, but you see how it's like, you know, so I'm gonna let it distribute throughout the whole coal until it gets all the way to the end and it's not sparking anymore. That's how you know that the coal is ready. So just let it sparkle throughout. And if you don't have a lighter on hand, you could always use your stove. And you can use whatever coal you prefer. This is what I have at the moment, so that's why I'm using this. But the coconut coals are actually the best, even though they take a long time to light up. And you actually don't have to hold it in the tongs like this. You could actually, if you want to, you could just, you know, put it on top. And this is a little wet. You want to make sure that the metal part isn't wet. You want to make sure it's not wet. So, because if the coal gets wet, it's gonna kill the coal. So, see how it's not sparking anymore? That means that it's lit. See how it's lit? And you always want to put the coal on the flat side, not on this side. You always want to put the coal on the flat side. So you take this and you just put the coal right on top like that, and you put it right here. And you want to blow in and blow out, but you want to be forceful with it. Or to make things easier, you could get a starter. I don't have a starter at the moment, so yeah, my mouth is gonna have to do for me. So, and there you have it, guys. That's how you set up a portable cup holder hookah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you guys think, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, don't be hesitant to comment down below. And also, hookah lollipops on deck. Don't forget to follow my business page at jollylolly_NYC for all your hookah pop needs. And yeah, happy hookah smoking. Ciao, guys. Oh, and one more thing. I forgot to mention that I got this hookah from B-Buzz Hookah on Instagram. Show love and support and copy one. Ciao.